what's up? It's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you from my floor in my room. Hopefully you can see me okay and the lighting is okay. I have a big ring light behind me, so hopefully the lighting is okay because it's dark out. But today I thought I would do a fun little Christmas decorate with me. I have a bunch of Christmas decor that I just got out that I'm excited to put up and decorate my room with. So yeah, let's just get going. I want to decorate like my little dresser here, and then have my desk and bed and little like book nook area that I want to decorate. I also might do a little like shop with me for other things and decor that I might not have. But for now, I'm just gonna stick with what I have and then go from there. If I need to go shop for a few things, then I will. So I'll just do a little overview of all the things I have first, and then we can get going on the decor. Okay, so here's a little overview of everything I have so far. So first I just have this like cute garland, ignore my laundry, but I have this cute little red garland. It's like so cheap. I think I got it from the dollar store, but it's like, I got a lot of it. So in years past, I've just like strung it along my dresser and over my bulletin board. So I'll probably do that, but we'll see how that looks. And then I have this cute little snowman little thing. I'll probably just sit him on this dresser, a little ornament, my stockings. And then I have this little joy sign. A lot of this stuff I got from like either Five Below or like the dollar store. So if you're looking for some good decor that's cheap, hit those places up. And then I got another Santa hat. I got two little mini trees that I'm going to try and find a place for. I got this little sign. I think it says Merry Christmas. So that's cute. I have these little knickknacks, little gold trees, and these little things that I got for my birthday. And then again, little signs. And I just got these trees from Five Below the other day, and they're so pretty. Like, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a really pretty like minty green, and it's sparkly. And then I also have this little mini pink one, which is so pretty. So I'm super excited about all of this stuff. Just little knickknacks and stuff. And then I also have, of course, my candles. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay. I'm just gonna keep what I know that I want up here. This. Okay, I'm back. I have to like squat so you can see me, but I just cleared everything off, and now I'm gonna start just adding things slowly. So I think I'm gonna start with this cute little garland tinsel thing. If I could find the end of it, that would be helpful. Okay, now I'm going to take apart these trees and see which one I'm gonna use, or if I can use both. It kind of depends on like where I can plug it in. So let's try this. Okay, I think that looks so cute. Let me give you a little close-up of the tree, but look how cute it is. It's so cute. Okay, you can barely see me, but now I'm gonna put some ornaments on the tree. Good morning, guys. I'm back. It's a new day. It's the next day. And I just thought I would pick up back with decorating, and it's daytime now, so it would be easier for you guys to see. But I got the tree up yesterday and decorated with the ornaments. So now I'm just gonna start organizing and kind of decorating with all my little knickknacks. Like I have candles and stuff. So I'm gonna finish my dresser, and then we'll move on to the rest of the room. I'm gonna add these little cute trees I got the other day from Five Below onto this little shelf. I'll arrange them how I think, but I love the pink and the green. I feel like it really goes with the vibes in my room. That looks cute. I might like rearrange it. I'm gonna put these at the end, and the little nutcracker can go there. I think these would look cuter on the end of the shelf. Yeah, that looks better. Hello guys, it's a few days later, and I'm just picking up where I left off with decorating my room. But I'm about to decorate my bed and make it nice and cozy. So I just thought I would show you. Also, ignore my outfit. I just look gross. But I have my comforter. It's actually reversible, so I just flipped it to the white side. And then I have this really cute red blanket. It says Merry and Bright, I think, on it. But I got it from Five Below like a few years ago. But it's actually really cozy. So I'm just gonna stick this on top of the white comforter. some my white one, this cute teal one, and then this is my favorite little Christmas pillow. It's also from Five Below from a few years ago, but has a cute little truck on it. So I'm just gonna add that here, and my bed is all finished. Okay, I am back, and I think I'm finally finished with decorating my room. So I thought I would give you a little overview, a little Christmas room tour, if you will, of the whole room and the whole space. So yeah, let's just get right into it. All right, walking right in. Here's a little overview before I show you everything. So coming back to behind my door, I have a little tinsel that I put around my door. Shows red and white, and it's super long. I've got it like a long time ago. Pretty sure it's from the dollar store, but super cute. Just have it around my door frame. And then you come over here to my dresser, which I love this little area. This is like my favorite spot where I decorate it. So I kept the top of the dresser pretty clear just because I like to put stuff on top of here. It's kind of where like my clutter goes and my clothes. So just on this side, I have my, of course, Bath & Body Works candles. So this is the 'Tis the Season one. I absolutely love that scent. And then I have this cute little Let It Snow snowman guy just sitting on there with a little candle on the inside. And then I have the garland or the tinsel on here. And then this is just my everyday jewelry and perfumes. And then you have my tree, which is so cute. I love the way it turned out. It's just a cute little 2-foot tree. I got it from Five Below a few years ago, but it's super cute. And the ornaments I got from the dollar store. So just have a bunch of little ornaments on it. And then on this side, I have my champagne toast candle. And that's all for the dresser. And then on the shelves, this is my favorite part. I'll give you a little overview of the shelves. But on this shelf, I have this cute little ornament that my boyfriend's mom made for me. And then I have this adorable little truck. I absolutely love trucks. You'll see that. That's a theme in this video, but I love the trucks. So I just stuck that there. And then this is actually a picture frame. I need to change out the picture. But this, and then this cute little tree I got from my friend Erin. And then I always have this up, just a cute little wreath. I still felt like it went with the vibes. And then this really pretty little sparkly Christmas decor piece I got for my birthday. So pretty. And then on this shelf, I have this super cute little Baby It's Cold Outside sign. And then these 2 matching gold trees from Target. And then this little vase and the sparkly little leaves are from Hobby Lobby. It's so cute. I love that shelf. And then moving on to this shelf, I have my cute little Anthropologie A little pouch. I love keeping like makeup in it, but it's also just a cute little decor piece, and it matches the colors of my room like perfectly. Super cute. And then I have these cute little trees, the minty green one and the pink one, along with this cute little nutcracker. These are from Target. No, these are from Five Below, and this is from Hobby Lobby. Super cute. So that's it for the little dresser section. There's a little overview. And then I don't have much over here, but I just have the little tinsel wrapping around my bulletin board, and then I just stuck on a cute little ornament there, and this little joy sign from Five Below. It actually lights up if I could turn it on. But yeah, I'll show you guys at night too, once it gets dark, what everything looks like, because it looks super pretty. And then eventually I have some leftover ornaments from the tree that I thought would be cute if I like put them on a little ribbon and strung them across my bulletin board. So I definitely might add that. And then moving on to my little vanity area. So I added this cute little sign that says Merry Christmas. I got it a few years ago. I think it's from Target. And then this cute little truck, Merry Christmas truck from the dollar store that I thought looked really cute there. And then that's all for the little vanity area. And then moving on to my bed, this little corner, I think I want to find a little cute Christmas blanket for this little chair and maybe another pillow, because I think that would add to the overall Christmas vibe. But I just love this little corner. It's so cozy. And then on the corner of my bed, I just have a cute little Santa hat with my name on it. And then my bed, I love how it turned out. So I have it's my normal comforter. It's actually my usual one with flowers on it, but it's reversible. So I flipped it to the white side, and then I added this really cute little red blanket from Five Below. I showed you guys earlier me setting it up, but I just think it makes it so cozy, and it's super warm and fuzzy. And then I added a cute little truck pillow. It says no place like home for the holidays. I absolutely love it. And yeah, I think that's everything for my little Christmas room tour. Let me know in the comments if you think I should add anything else, but here's the last little overview of the room, the bed, my vanity, and then desk and dresser. So yeah, I think that's everything. Thanks so much for watching. I love watching Decorate With Me, and definitely look out for more Christmas videos I have planned. I think my next video is gonna be my Christmas wish list / gift guide. So stay tuned for that, super excited. And also follow me on TikTok. I'm doing Vlogmas over there. So don't forget to give me a follow there. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at anna.v.watson. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.